A consultancy based job. This is civil foreman vacancy. Requirements: 2 to 3 years of experience working as a civil foreman in any GCC country, diploma or professional qualification in engineering or civil engineering, knowledgeable on using construction tools and able to read blueprints, ability to meet deadline and attention to detail. Salary provided as per the experience of the candidate. The consultancy name is AHSA VOIR HR Consultancies LLC. Improving workplace productivity. Submit your CV to the given email address, or for further detail you can contact to the given contact number. A painting supervisor or foreman vacancy is available. It is urgently required. The company is CCTC Abu Dhabi. At least 5 year experience in UAE in oil and gas construction project. Spray painters at least 5 years experience in UAE in construction project. Attractive salary plus overtime as per the law. Free visa. There is no any charge to pay. Food, accommodation and transportation provided by the company. End of service and leave salary payable as per the law. Interview in Abu Dhabi Mustafa Industrial Area. Working day every week from Monday to Tuesday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. For more detail you can contact to the given email address and mobile number. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video you can check in playlist, and also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center. But now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same, just experience in and description, and the other things, skills you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this. This is the first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist. You can watch there. And daily update about new jobs. I am posting jobs, so you have to subscribe this channel, so you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the videos related to the job post. Thank you. Company Al Shirawi Enterprises LLC is looking for an account assistant. Requirement: invoice processing payments of suppliers, customs, freight and utilities payment, bank reconciliation and intern co-reconciliation, address various intern audit queries, booking bank charge, tax invoice. Must have experience in Oracle, ERP and Tally. Qualification: bachelor's or master in accounting. Proficiency in English. Location is Dubai, UAE. If interested candidate may submit their CV through the given email address. Please indicate accounts assistant in the subject line. Only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. We wish you all the best. Al Shirawi Enterprises LLC. A CA qualified cost accountant vacancy is available. Industry: manufacturing. Location: Dubai. They are seeking a qualified and experienced chartered accountant to join a manufacturing client in Dubai. The ideal candidate will have at least 5 years of relevant experience in cost accounting and taxation in the UAE. Chartered accountant qualification, preferably CA from ICAI. Minimum of 4 years of experience in cost accounting and taxation in the UAE. Experience in any manufacturing industry in UAE is preferred. Strong knowledge of cost accounting principles and practice. In-depth understanding of tax laws, regulations and compliance in the UAE. Proficiency in accounting software, excellent communication and interpersonal skills. How to apply? Interested candidates who meet the requirements are invited to submit their CVs to the given email address with the subject line CA Dubai.